Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will read our next worksheet, worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 2 is about conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins together words, phrases, and sentences. Means it is a word which will join together different words or different parts of sentences, or even different sentences are joined by using these type of words. And the examples of conjunctions are but, and, because, or, when, if, for, so, yet. इस तरह के जो सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं ये एक ही सेंटेंस में डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को आपस में ज्वाइन करने, एक सेंटेंस के डिफरेंट वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने, या फिर डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस को आपस में ज्वाइन करके एक सेंटेंस बनाने के काम आते हैं. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Number 1, I like sugar in my tea. Dash, I don't like milk in it. The word is but. Second, listen to the story dash answer the questions in complete sentences. The word is and answer the questions. Next one is it Thursday dash Friday today? Here are 2 days, Thursday and Friday, and we will join them by using or. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Next one is he was late dash the bus didn't come. Because the bus didn't come. Here we are telling about the reason, we are describing the reason, and reason will be told by using the word because the bus didn't come. Last one is while Sarah was watching the planes, her sister was reading the book. Here we have used while. This is a conjunction and it is telling about the next part of the sentence, and this question is completed. Question number 2 is choose the right option and complete the given sentences. Number 1, the sun was warm, dash, the wind was a bit cool. Options are so, yet, because, and not. And the correct option is yet. Yet the wind was a bit cool. Yet means phir bhi. Number 2, neither my brother, dash, my sister owns a car. Options are or, nor, and none. And the correct option is nor my sister owns a car. Number 3, I'll text you dash I have arrived in Toronto. Options are when, then, after, and so. And the correct option is after I have arrived in Toronto. Next one is we were very tired dash happy after our flight to Sydney. Options are and, because, so, and but. Correct option is but happy after our flight to Sydney. Next one is we'll resume our journey dash the sun rises. Options are so, then, when, and if. And the correct option is when. We'll resume our journey when the sun rises. And this question is completed. Third question is choose the conjunction that best completes each sentence. Number 1, he could not convince his father dash he tried many times. Here are 2 options, although and while, and the correct option is although. Although he tried many times. Although means agarche. Dash, she calls me. I feel very happy. Options are so that and whenever. And the correct option is whenever. Whenever she calls me, I feel very happy. Next one is take this photo dash you can remember me. Options are while and so that. And correct option is so that you can remember me. Next one is I bought you a birthday card dash I like you. Options are because and why. And the correct option is because I like you. Next one is I'll find you dash you are. Options are where and wherever. And the correct option is wherever. I'll find you wherever you are means jahan kahin bhi.